Everybody, thank you for tuning in again. It's Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're going to set up the SwitchBot Meter. Now, this meter is a thermometer and a hygrometer, and you need to have the SwitchBot hub in order to make it work. So, get your SwitchBot app ready to go. You need to sign in. Once you get you signed in, you're going to have to add a meter on the side there, and then the menu. And what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to connect through Bluetooth. So you're going to have to hold the button on the back for a couple of seconds. And then you're going to see the Bluetooth icon on the display show up. And once that's done, you can say continue. And then you're going to have to go back to your SwitchBot hub, whether you have the mini or not. You're going to have to click on. So once you've pressed the on switch, it's going to go through some firmware upgrades, which will take a couple of minutes. And then you can go back into the SwitchBot app, and then you can go to the thermometer now that it's set up. I set it up as my bedroom thermometer and hygrometer. And then once you go into it, you can see the amount of data that you can collect over the months. This is the data that I've had over the last year. And once you do that, you can also export your data into a CSV file. And there you have it. That's the setup of the SwitchBot meter. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, don't hate, automate.